Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing very well and welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So recently I traveled from Pune to Delhi and then returned back in 5 days. So I traveled during this corona pandemic because I had to undergo a medical procedure in Delhi which cannot wait any longer for corona to go basically. So yes, I had to do this emergency traveling. So unlike the normal days, this travel was definitely difficult with all the precautions that we all have to take while traveling in this corona crisis is makes the journey really hectic. So we should take when we had taken all the possible precautions like wearing our face mask, face shield, and as per me gloves are the most important part of taking the precautions. So yes, if you have any chance that if you have any emergency that you have to travel during this crisis, please be sure to take all the precautions, and I have made this video so that this could be helpful for your upcoming journey if you are traveling during this pandemic. So this is Pune airport. As you can see, the queue is not long as it used to be in the normal days, and this is how they were sanitizing all our luggage bags at the entrance point. And in the check-in counters, airport authorities have taken very well measures. They have put the stickers on the floor so that people and everybody can maintain proper social distancing, and they have following the no touch policy in all the security checkpoints, like they are only using the webcams to match our identities. So this is the waiting lounge near the boarding gates. So again, you can see that the stickers are put on the middle seat so that the proper social distancing is followed. So this is the kit that the airlines have provided, which contains face mask, face shield, and the sanitizer sachets. And so that if somebody has not followed the precautions already, they should just wear the essentials. This is the airport runway. As you can see, in the normal days there used to be a lot of people while after boarding and going to the plane, but during this corona pandemic, during boarding they were sending one by one. So here we have reached Delhi airport, and as you can see, even the Delhi airport is not crowded as it used to be in the normal days. So yes, there are very less people who are traveling, basically who has an emergency situation like me. So here I have taken a clip of baggage collection area. So here you can see that social distancing is a little bit compromised because I believe the travelers are always in hurry to take their luggage back and just go home as early as possible. But as it has to be said that we have to take our own responsibilities. The authorities have taken good measures, but we are responsible for ourselves. So when I traveled, there were no checkpoints specifically for COVID-19 at the exit of the Delhi airport. So we were just able to go without any checks. So this is me explaining my situation after landing in Delhi.
Dress up is really exhausting. I hope we didn't catch corona, and our corona test is tomorrow. See you. Bye. We are too tired to say anything.
So yes, our corona test was done, and thankfully the test came negative, and then we were returning back to Delhi. So as you can see, Delhi airport is again not much crowded, but the shops are all open, but there were hardly any people that were shopping. So this is the waiting lounge again near the boarding gate in Delhi. So yes, people have followed the social distancing part, but it is sometimes compromised. But again, I would say the authorities have taken really good measures so that the distancing is followed. So there was a flight from Delhi to Patna there as well, in which airlines were providing again the same kit that I have shown earlier, and they were also providing the PP kit for all the passengers who have got the middle seat in the flight. and I was waiting for my flight to
Hi, so
depart.
I am now boarding back from Delhi to Pune, and my all procedures, hospitalization, and everything has been done. It's like my all levels are crossed till this level, and this is the last level. And the bad news is that there's a cyclone in Pune that is going on currently, actually. So we are a little bit worried about like if our flight will follow its schedule. So yes, fingers crossed again. Hopefully this level 5 will be crossed successfully and we'll reach Pune by night, and I'd spend the night again in my home peacefully, waiting for that.
So yes, our flight did boarded on time, but due to cyclone, it got diverted to Mumbai, which took almost more than an hour. It delayed to reach Pune back, but yes, we did reached the same day. And in the Pune airport exit, they were doing the thermal check, and also they were putting stamps on our hand which stated home quarantined for 14 days. You can see the person, you can see the long queue that is there for at the exit. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this would be helpful if you are facing an emergency and you have to travel during this pandemic. I hope you don't have to travel. Please avoid any travels if it is possible. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy, and be happy. And make sure to avoid any travels possible. And yes, please subscribe to my channel again. Thank you so much.